DENR target na mapaigting pa ang pangangalaga sa Verde Island Passage na sentro ng biodiversity ng bansa. Si Luisa Erispe sa sentro ng balita.
Pinag-aaralan ngayon ng Department of Environment and Natural Resources kung papaano patuloy na mapapangalagaan ang Verde Island Passage na isa sa sentro ng marine biodiversity sa Pilipinas. Sa forum na isinagawa ngayong araw na dinaluhan ng iba't ibang mga delegado mula sa iba't ibang bansa, nais ng DENR na mapanatili ang buhay sa karagatan ng Verde Island mula sa banta ng climate change sa mundo.
The VIP is indeed the locus of sustainable development and is the interface of the different aspects of sustainable development, the environmental, the economic and social aspects. And our ability to manage them is important given the scientific knowledge that you will be providing to the government and to society as a whole.
Pero ang nais idiin ng kalihim ng DENR na si Secretary Rafael Lotilla, ang Verde Island ay hindi international passageway na bukas na daanan ng lahat ng barko mula sa iba't ibang bansa. Paglilinaw ng DENR, ito ay national passageway at kung may mga barko man na dadaan dito, dapat hindi naaantala o tumitigil para mangisda.
The Verde Island Passage. From my standpoint, the Verde Island Passage is not an international waterway for navigation. It is a passageway that is mainly used, one, for national navigation, inter-island navigation between the Visayas and Mindanao and Luzon, and for navigation that is entering the country, both from the West Philippine Sea and from the Pacific Ocean. I would not want to see fishing vessels from third countries passing through the Verde Island Passage on the pretext of that being a waterway used for international navigation from the South China Sea to the Pacific. Because if they are allowed to do so, then they can do so in the normal mode of navigation. And while the fishing vessels will be required to have their nets on board rather than below the waterline.
Dagdag pa ng DENR, may iba pang karagatan o waterways sa Pilipinas na nakalaan sa naturang layunin. Pero wag sana ang Verde Island dahil iniingatan ito bilang sentro ng marine biodiversity ng bansa.
They have other waterways such as the Bashi Channel, which can be used for that purpose. So that would for me would be important because the VIP is narrow, fringed by highly sensitive marine areas.
Umaasa naman ang DENR na sa forum na ito mapag-uusapan din kung papaano mapangangalagaan hindi lang ang Verde Island kundi ang iba pang international passageway sa mundo. Nais din nilang makapagbuo ng mga pulisiya na magagamit para sa global security.
I would like to be able to see us expanding these discussions not only from a scientific standpoint, but the science to inform our policies not only on navigation, but also on national and global security.
Bukod naman kay DENR Secretary Lotilla, dumalo din sa pagsisimula ng forum si Presidential Sister Irene Marcos Araneta at dating DENR Secretary Tony Yulo Loizaga. Luisa Erispe para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.